All right, before I get into the dryer, listen. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's not actually an audible click. So that lid switch is struck over here by this hinge. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up and jump it out so we can get it running. Let's do it. One of the best washers they ever made. I think they started making those back in ancient times, like the 80s or something like that. All right, reach up under here. There we go. So I usually just reach up under there and push these, but you can also get a putty knife and slip it right here and push it back and lift at the same time. But there's our lid switch. These are known to burn up, but this one ain't even clicked. It's barely moving. Let's see what it does. And don't jump the ground. These two are the ones you jump, not the green. That's ground. That's how you shock LA Appliance Guy. It's working. Oh, there it is. Gotta give it the slam. Give it the slam, like slamming the like button. That. Alright, so I got a little jumpy jump. We're gonna jump it real quick. Not the green. That's the most important wire. It almost got you. Unplug it. Genius. It only hurts for a second. Go ahead and pop your funky clips. Funky clip. Funky clip. And grab the hole there. See how it slips under the bottom? Best washers ever. Check the temp. Washing good. Bada boom. That one's almost ready. All right, our Kenmore best washer ever finished up. Yeah, it's pretty weak. That's an 831-8084. You have got to make sure the lid is up when you snap these down or you will break it. Boop. These are the replacements. They're all right. They sometimes don't want to clip in. I don't have any of the original Whirlpool ones, but what I'll do with these is I'll put the ground over the top of it to keep it from shifting. Like I said, the most important wire, baby. Now we're clicking. All right, we might as well go ahead and put it back together. Unplug it. Oh, I love these washers. Quick, easy, rebuildable. All right, take that front lid, put it under, and lay it back. And of course, I got junk back there. Funky clip. Make sure you don't pinch any of this. Don't want to flood a house. Don't forget your plug. Catch the tallywhack at the bottom. Use the funky clip. Pow! Let's load her up. All right. Oh, gotta plug it in, doofus. Don't need no stinking power. Yay! When they come out with these units back in the day, I think it was 80s, early 80s, 80, 81, my dad said they were like, what is this Mickey Mouse crap, this plastic drum and all this stuff? But they turned out to be really decent, durable washers for years. Now they've gone to done. Pretty much fixed and sold already. We got a list of folks waiting for the old school ones. Call them, run the card, load it up, done. Old school ones don't even get put on the line. So those washers are so simple. No need for a newspaper full of 70 codes and 16 different personalities. If it don't spin, bypass the lid switch. If it still don't spin, check the pump, check the clutch. If it's leaking, check the hoses, check the pump. It's like, how simple. And they work so much faster. Like, it takes a new washer twice the time than that old one. So, sorry, rant over. But if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe to the channel. All right, well, I forgot to do like a closing remark. Getting ready to load up the four-wheeler. We're gonna go to the hunting property because we're planning the fields, getting ready for bow season. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. That was the old school Kenmores, one of the best units that they ever made. Wish I could find a bunch more because it'd be pretty much sold. But if you like this kind of content, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Hopefully we'll make 1,000 soon. I just woke up from a nap. I gotta get me some coffee. Y'all have a great day. Bye. That was a little quickie. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.